Okay, everybody, these are probably some of the longest problems you'll have in a while because they're the number of steps needed. So just to step aside for a second, looking at this piece, I'm going to do it with numbers. How about 2 plus 3 squared? You know 2 plus 3 is worth 5. You know 5 squared is 25. Now, what I want to show you is some students have the false idea that you can distribute this exponent in, which would give you 2 squared plus 3 squared. You know 2 squared is 4, and you know 3 squared is 9, but does it add to 25? No. You can never distribute an exponent over adding or subtracting. It also doesn't work for subtracting. So this is not, and I can't stress it enough, it is not x squared plus 4. No, you can't do that. It will not work. It doesn't work with numbers. It sure ain't going to work with letters. Okay? So what that means is x plus 2 times x plus 2, because you're squaring it and you're multiplying it by itself. So this is what you need to take care of first before you worry about this stuff. Now your options are, you can either draw a box or you can do the FOIL method. So if it's a box, it's x and 2, x and 2. So x squared, 2x, 2x, and 4. So this would be x squared plus 4x plus 4. And if you did the FOIL method, first gives you the x squared, outside gives you this 2x, inside gives you this 2x, and last gives you the 4. So you get to the same place. Now distribute by multiplying anything inside the parenthesis. So that's a minus 2x minus 4, and then this plus 4 just goes along for the ride. And in this particular problem, notice those cancel out. So now you just add like terms. So you get x squared, 4x minus 2x is 2x, plus 4. Okay? There you go. There's your answer. Okay? So do another one. You cannot distribute this 3 inside first until you take care of that exponent. The exponent needs to be a 1. Then you can distribute it inside. That's why we were able to distribute it in the last problems, because the exponent was a 1. Here it's a 2. I got to take care of this first. So it depends on if you want a box or FOIL. So if it's box, so it's x squared plus 2x plus 1 times the 3 plus the 5, x times x plus, that, I can't say it, but I wrote it. Now you can distribute the 3 and the 5 inside. So you got 3x squared plus 6x plus 3 plus the 5x plus 5 minus 4. Now collect like terms. That's the only x squared. So you got 3x squared. Now there's a 6x and there's a 5x, and it's adding. So plus 11 x plus 3 plus 5 is 8, minus 4 is plus 4. So there's your answer. Okay? I'm going to pause this and take a call. Thank you guys. 1 second. Okay, everybody. Sorry for the pause in the recording there. All right, so that one was done. So let's go to this one. Again, I'm not sure how many you need to feel comfortable with the process, so I'll try this one. The first thing you have to do is take care of the square. So whether you like doing the box method or whether you like doing the FOIL, that's up to you. So x squared, 1x, 1x, and 1. So what's in the perfect square, it's dealing with the square, this 2 is just coming along for the ride, would be x squared plus 2x plus 1, and then this stuff is still here. It hasn't gone anywhere. Now, because this exponent outside the parentheses are 1, I can distribute everything inside. So 2 times everything in there is 2x squared plus 4x plus 2. 3 times everything in there, and then the minus 5. And now you're collecting like terms. That's the only square, so 2x squared. And there's a 4x and a 3x, which makes 7x. 2 plus 3 is 5, minus 5 is 0. So that would be your final answer. Okay, I think that's the last screenshot. Yep. Oh, nope, there's one more there. Okay, If you need practice on distributing again, let me go ahead and FOIL this out, especially when there's a negative that you're distributing. Okay, so x minus 3, x minus 3. So x squared minus 3x minus 3x plus 9. So you get 2, x squared minus 6x plus 9 minus 2, x minus 3 minus 6. Distribute the 2 inside all three things. Then the minus 2 to everything, and you got to be a little bit careful because the negative sign goes to both. So minus 2x plus 6, and then minus 6. And of course, those things would just cancel. But the negative stays with this, so it becomes a positive 6 back here. So 2x squared minus 12x minus 2x is minus 14x. Those canceled out, so you just have plus 18. And there's your answer. Now I think we're done. Thank you all for your time.